friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your midweek video. We have some cheap stuff at Walgreens, Dollar General, Freebie, and a 99-cent item over at Meijer. A couple air care deals that if that is your thing, that is the store to be at. First store we're going to is Walgreens, and earlier in the week I made a video about the 90% off toys. Depending where your system's at, they're either going to get marked down on a Tuesday or a Saturday morning, where they're going to start orange stickering a lot of the clearance stuff. Every store, the toys are a little bit different, which is confusing. So if you've seen a lot of toys, clearancing out at your location, Saturday might be the day to go there, like Saturday morning-ish, like 11 or so. They're making room for Christmas. And if you are a fan of Gilmore Girls, and I'm sure there's many of you, you got a beautiful little like pot holder, an oven mitt, and a dish towel for $9.99. And I think the slippers also $9.99. I have never seen merch for this show. It is exciting and probably the smartest use of $10 of Walgreens cash if you're a fan of Gilmore Girls. Like, how adorable is all of this stuff? Okay, let's hop right into the deals. The first is the smaller Vaseline at $4.99. That's buy one, get one 50% off. Forgive me, guys. I'm having a hard time with the app where I was trying to screenshot coupons and I didn't successfully land the plane. So I'm just going to show you the coupon, kind of. It's a 4 off 2, and that's a manufacturer. So most of you should have that one. So 2 of these lotions in store would be $7.48. So here's the quick peek at the math. 2 Vaselines for $7.48. Subtracting our digital coupon, I think most of us should have that. You're going to pay $3.48. Keep that receipt to photograph it to IBOTTA. You're going to get 2,500 points back, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per Vaseline. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And then just to show you, this is what the rebate is, and it's $12.50 per lotion, so you're going to get 2,500 for the 2. Double triple check that you in fact have this rebate. Everybody's fetch account a little bit different. Okay, so this next deal is on some Aveeno lotion. The top one is a manufacturer. The bottom one is a My Walgreens coupon that only certain accounts got. So apologies, I got it, but my husband's account didn't get it, which is really odd. But this one at 12 o'clock, that Skin Relief Healing Ointment one, it's like a little tube that would probably fit perfectly in your purse. After those 2 $3 coupons melt off, it's 99 cents for this Aveeno. And with the cooler months just around the corner, it's the perfect thing to throw into your purse. Just make sure that cap is on really tightly. And then another deal that we have with more of those weird coupons, we have a $2 manufacturer and a $2 store coupon for Motrin. So if you're a big fan of the Motrin, this cheapest one, it is a 20 count, I believe. It's the liquid gels. For $5.99, subtracting the $2, the store and the manufacturer, it's $1.99 for this 20 count of the Motrin, and a great thing to have in your stock. I know that anytime I have like dental pain or whatever, anything with ibuprofen is always a thing that heals aching bones or teeth or both. The Dove Whole Body Dry Spray, if you can track 2 of these down, or alternatively, they have that gel in the tube that has to be the Whole Body by Dove. We have a $4 store coupon and the 10 off 2 manufacturer. Buy 2 this week, you get back a $3 register reward. So this makes it like a complete freebie if you can line this up. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $20, subtracting the digital coupon and the $8 of store coupon. You'll pay 2, get back a $3 register reward, making this free and a $1 money maker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you've been like asleep at the wheel or haven't been doing any deals this week, if you have the $18 in coupons, go to the store and make this one happen. Okay, the next store that we're at is at the Dollar General, and this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 17th, 18th, and 19th. There are so many items in their fleet that is $1 or less or under $1, including gorgeous candles, the Dolly Parton line, cute little signs, erasers, check out the video at the end. You have 3 days to make this magic happen. I show you ideas and stuff to get, and a lot of you are really hyped up by the candles. It is a single wick, and the perfume oil in it, it's very similar to candles that they sell on QVC. It is a smaller candle, so if you have a very large scent throw, won't be there, but in a smaller room, or if you're like, you know, watching some movies and it's super cozy and your living room isn't like massive, it'll really do the job. Even if you want a couple of these in your bathroom or something like that, they're just fantastic. Old Fashioned Donut has my heart. Vanilla Cupcake, very girly. I could go on about candles forever. I'm going to shut up, but oh my gosh, check out the video linked at the end. I'm so excited by this. And the one freebie that we have this week is these 16 count of the U by Kotex pads. It is a very good pad. I use this one personally, so I like it. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that popped up on Sunday. It essentially makes these dollar pads completely free. You'll look for it in the feminine care aisle. Hopefully your store carries them. I know a lot of stores don't. And we have only updated stores here, so there is no more overage or anything like that. It's just a free little item. So here's the UPC. Go and find those and double, triple check that coupon is still in fact attaching. But go and make some magic happen. And while I was in the store looking for my plan of attack to get 7,000 candles, I found 3 penny items, which is kind of like funny and like, what? So sometimes like for older penny lists, this is from a couple weeks back, the Summer's Eve and these dollies, they were like just jumping out at me. And this was on a sky shelf with a bunch of other toys, and it said F24. I knew right away that was a penny. And all the other toys, yes, you must scan all of them, because if you find one, you're probably going to find a whole lot more pennies. Is typically how it works. And I'm just going to show you guys the UPC for that. And I only found one set of these newborn dollies too, and here it is. So anything that says like fall 24, fall 23, 22, probably a penny right now. And then I also found one of these Summer's Eve. I could not find any of them. They were on a sky shelf at the tippy top. And here is the UPC. And this one, I think at most stores is a penny. So it'll ring up 0.00 in the app. And at the register, you should be paying a penny. And anything that's expired, they don't have to sell it to you. But I think these feminine wash, there was an expiry date on it. But this was a weird one with the feminine care, because at some stores it changed. But this one, it was a penny. So I was pretty excited by it. Last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. Special shout out and thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. Personal friend and a friend of the channel. These are both her deals, and she's right on the money. With these sort of deals with air care, any sort of thing with a perfume oil, it's jumping in price a lot. We have a $2 for this Febreze Small Spaces and a $3 for the Airwick. Back to my talk. This sort of stuff, if you like to make your house smell great with it, stock up on it when it's this cheap right now. So throwing both of these just into a cart, just to show you that Small Spaces by Febreze is $3.65. With the $2 coupon, it's down to $1.65. And that plug and the oil by Airwick is down to 99 cents. That one right there, I would definitely get. Especially if you gift from your stockpile for Christmas, it's a perfect little thing to throw in. Who doesn't love one of those for their bathroom? That's it for this video. I'll link the Dollar General stuff right here with the candles, and I will not say the word candle again. I just did. Okay, bye guys.